Yeah, man. Oh, I said I was going to do it now. Move it now. Welcome, guys. Welcome, man. Guys, Fire Giant. Last night, we did some pulls on the Fire Giant. And we did 2. And for phase 1 was a joke. The whole pull was botched. The first pull. It was horrible. Dude, I phase 2'd him and got him like 25% on the second pull. So Fire Giant's going to die. I'm hoping he dies right now. We are here. Oh, by the way, I did that last night. I phase 2'd Fire Giant. Melee only. No summons. With little golden scarab equipped right here for my Flame Strike Talisman. Now, I'm going melee only, guys. So all these things are no good. So I need to I just need to put anything in these. Anything in these. Things that are going to give me more health. I mean, like this right here would have made a big deal. Right? Things that'll give me more stamina. Right? Anything, guys. Anything. Anything. Is there like enhanced jump attacks? Pfft, go with it, man. You know what I'm saying? I could throw on some feathers too if I wanted to, guys. I could put anything, guys. I don't even have to max this out. We almost killed him last night. Now, could have been some RNG. Richard Castro, what's up, man? Magnus Person, man, how you doing, dude? It's going great, man. I'm having fun with this playthrough, and I'm doing some. This is a no summons playthrough. Only the second time I've done the game with no summons. Ooh, boost HP restoration from Crimson Tears. Dude. Why not? I've never used that before. HP stamina equipment load. I got the fire one on. Physical damage. I bet when he drops on me. No, I'm not supposed to get hit like that. Maybe we'll go with this one. That's gonna be healing off the top though, because I'm getting more health pots, guys. That's what we're gonna get. That's what we're gonna do. Non-physical, maybe. Would that help too? Would that stack with fire? Like I said, anything is gonna be better than what I had last night, man. New Year, new you, right? Yeah, man. Happy New Year to you, Magnus. Happy New Year. Maybe just go with this one. I've never used it before, guys. We have more health and we have more healing on the health. And then I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the feathers, guys. We have to have feathers on this guy, don't we? Weight. Ooh, it's a lot heavier, folks. See, I'm not going to do a lot of jump attacks. Oh, this one. I lose a lot of stats. I'm just going to go with these guys. They're all things that helped me. Like I said, we very likely could have. I'm going to take the stabs off too. So we are live. We're live on Facebook, YouTube, Twitch. I think I even clicked the funny little X button, guys. Because it's not going to hurt me. It's not going to hurt me. Flasks. Allocate. Okay, 9 and 5, guys. Now, if I need 9, I'm in trouble. But here's the deal. On one of those pulls, I did run out of health pots. Yeah. And we don't need mana. So, let's go with 11. There we go. Got a little bit of buffing money. Now we're going to make this happen. Nice to see you. I've been crazy busy. V, good for you. What's going on in your life? Good stuff, I hope. What's up, everyone? Have a great day. Jacob Hutchins comes in for have a great day, dude. I love that, man. It's so cool, guys. Guys, you have no idea. Back when I was trying to get partner, I needed, what, 3,000 engaged... 3,000 engaged followers in like a month or a week or 10 days or whatever. No, 90 days. Whatever it was the hardest thing to get. 10,000 followers sounds like a big deal. It was a big deal. But if you keep streaming and working, you get that. The engaged followers, people like Jacob would come back to the stream, even if they're like, on my way to work, just came in to support. Hey, what's up, dude? That's an engaged follower. That's one. You know what I'm saying? I need like 4,000 over 90 days or something. And that's a hard number to get. So guys, coming in and saying hello helps a lot. All these stabs, I think, are going to mess me up, guys. I'm not going to use them. Remove. We'll switch these around anyway later. And the reason why is I keep using the wrong spell, and Trey's getting mad at me because I'm not doing the correct amount of damage, and Trey is correct. We might as well use our build to its max, right? Hey, I want to thank Charlie Keytron. Love you, Charlie. If you're around, Magnus Person, V, Jacob, Richard, Sarah, Jacob Adamson, Eric Haddon. Thank you guys for all the likes. It really helps the stream, man. Yeah, work just work, V. That's good. Work is a good thing, man. Oh, Charlie, what are you doing, man? Charlie, I hope to see you at the get-together. I hope I see you at the get-together in March, man. Guys, we're going to kill a fire giant right now. March 22nd, 23rd, there's a post with more details on the page at Charlie Sardo Gaming on Facebook. Just Google Marble Falls, you'll be like, oh yeah, that's a cool place, I want to go. Yeah, absolutely. Sneaking in a watch from work, Kevin Cook, don't get in trouble now. I used to have a game, it was an old game, and it had a, like, the boss, it was called The Boss. It was a button. You could play the game, and then, like, it's like if the boss came, you click the boss button, and a spreadsheet popped up. You guys remember that? Okay. We're going to buff inside, and we're going to drink. We can drink right here, it doesn't matter. This is happening. Okay. Two. Let's go. Let's get on that foot, folks. Just a little bit down the hill. I just don't want to fight him on the rocks, guys. One huge mistake I did the other day was earlier last night. I was missing almost every attack, guys. I was missing almost every attack. Where are those fireballs? Yeah, I didn't beat the fire. Let's see what my health pot does. Let's see what a health pot does, guys. Pretty good. We're topping off. G+8, guys. I swear he does those more often, but he also misses me. Get some damn big damn. Oh, he hit me. Okay. Phase 2 incoming, guys. Phase 2 incoming. Oh, we put the poopy out. He's gonna roll. No! That was phase 2. I got hit by the fire. Charlie Keytron, if you stream, they will come. Hope everyone has a great day. Charlie, thank you, my brother. Says, LOL. That's awesome. Guys, okay, that wasn't bad. I'll tell you what I did better than the last time. The dam is still just slow, but you know what? It's a melee thing, guys. This is by far the lowest damage output I have ever fought the fire giant, which is kind of cool. Melee no summons, which is kind of cool. Because if I'm, like I said, that was so close to phase 2. So close to phase 2. A whack or two and I got him, man. And then I just got to have a good phase 2. Oh, Kevin Cook with a 200, man. Thank you. Okay. Let us get back. We're just getting right back into it, folks. I want to get to him faster this time. Oh, but I want my golden bow to work a little bit longer. Kevin Cook dropping the first stars of the day, 200. Kevin, thank you for the great support. Come on, I missed a swing. Got him on the way out. Horrible. Probably should have just, I should have just ran. I missed 2 hits there, guys. I don't like where he is. Okay, these are just balls, which I don't like. And I'm a little bit farther out. I should get behind him. Okay, very, very little damage. In the fire. Okay, okay, I gotta get health pots up. Come on! I don't want to fight him there. See what I'm saying? Are those always that easy to... Oh my god, the early roll. It's okay. That's what I said! I don't want to fight him here, guys. There he is. Foot. Foot. Phase 2, come on, baby. Phase 2! There we go, phase 2. Second attempt. Burning through bosses with this build, no doubt. TDK, TDK. Dude, I'm scared! I need a drink, but I need to run. I need to run forward and whack his hand, and then whack him in the eye. And it's very dangerous. And I'm probably going to die. Because I don't have it down perfectly yet. I tried it last night, and I ran with the horse. I ran too far, and I had to back up to the hand. Okay. Okay, I'm going in. I'm going in. No, I want that so bad! No, not really. Okay, a lot of help, guys. A lot of help. Okay. I know the attack. What? One more health pot, guys. One more health pot. I should have gone all health pots. Oh, I thought he was going to, just hit him. Okay. No! Okay. I died. That's about what I did last night on my second attempt. And you know, sometimes on these builds, I'll hit a wall. Sometimes on these, but I'm not, guys, four poles is not a wall. And 2 out of 4, I had them just like that. So that's not hitting a wall, but we don't need, we can do it like this. We just need a little more health pots. Any plans to mess around with phase 2 in SOD drops February 8th? I don't know, man. I just don't know. Allocate. Guys, this is so embarrassing. This is so embarrassing. I'll tell you one thing I'm not doing too, and this made a difference. This made it. I'm gonna go all health pots, guys. I could burn a rune arc. You know, I could burn a rune arc, but why, man? This game will teach you patience. It will, Seth. This game is freaking crazy. This game is crazy. I love this game. Okay, guys, my hands are shaking. My hands are. That's not good. That's not good. I think we need to hype up on the coffee just a little bit more, guys. Sometimes you be shaking because you be drinking too much coffee. I'm the opposite. Till I get, like, you know, 4 or 5 cups in me, you know, I'm not really moving. You know what I mean? Guys, welcome to the coffee cam. After Dark community has been so good to me. The gaming community. The chess is the foundation of the stream. It's how we got here. I think we're going to do the first Lurker Love of the season, folks. It's the Valentine's Day Lurker Love. Ooh, should I put reverb on? I think I should. Gotta remember to take it off. Yeah, man. Hey, baby. If you're out there lurking. It's the season of love, baby. Valentine's Day is coming. If you want to get involved, just say hello. It helps. Drop me a follow. Give me a like. This started out to just be fun and happy. It ended up being real creepy when the sax comes on. You know what I'm saying, baby. I've never heard it with a reverb before. If you're out there lurking, man, thanks for being here. Throw me a like if you can. Sub me on YouTube. Follow me on Twitch. All that good stuff. Freaking love you guys. All right. You absolutely love to see it, folks. The first Lurker Love of the season. The first Valentine's Day creepy Lurker Love. Seth Thomas says, it shouldn't be embarrassing. I have used no guides or much outside help and have yet to beat it in my adrenaline pumping over every time I play. Yeah, dude. I agree, man. Well, the thing is, I wanted to beat him so bad. Now, I could go back to my old school. No. Hey, the subs are coming in with their Lurker Love stickers. You absolutely love to see them, folks. Yeah, there we go. There's a Lurker Love stickers. Okay. I could go back to like my old school method and try and rebuff Golden Vow on phase 2 rather than going for the hand and the eye. No. I want to go for the hand and the eye. I'll tell you why. Because I see the good players do it. And if we want to be a good player, we're going to be a good player. You want to just kill him this attempt, guys? We've got all this extra healing. Inventorio. We have 26 rune arcs. That's a lot, guys. Oh, wait. I don't think I activated a great rune. I don't think I activated a great rune, guys. I don't think I activated... Guys, my health is going to be like stupid. I got the Crimson Amber Medallion. I have 80 Vig. I've got the thing that makes my health pots give me more health. I have all health pots. And we are going to go to... Did I not activate the Great Rune? Hey, Missy, how are you? These playthroughs, they blend together, guys. There's no... You activate a Great Rune at a Grace, right? What... That Grace that is Forbidden Lands. That's not upstairs to activate the Great Rune. Isn't upstairs to activate the Great Rune past Chubby? Where does that Great Rune get activated, man? We're not going to use it. We're not going to burn it because we don't have the if I'm not going to get the full benefits for it. I mean, it'll give me a little bit of stats of everything, but it's not worth it. Look at that health bar, guys. If you can't kill Fire Giant with that health bar, man, you need to get good. And I never have gotten good, but I get better. You're okay, good, Missy. Thanks for coming in. And thanks for saying hello. I hope that Lurker Love wasn't a little too much for you. Sometimes people think it's a little bit creepy, folks. It intended to be a happy, fun, Valentine's-themed Lurker Love. And then when that saxophone comes in, it just sounds a little sleazy. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, after Ng+8 Darkers, as Catherine McKay, as Jeff Conley would say. A lot of my nighttime people aren't here. They'll have to watch the replay, but we got to kill this thing because I want to move forward, guys. I want to get Farum Azula. Okay, here we go. Drinky stinky. Or it'd be better just to... Okay, get these up. Okay, let's go. Oh, you got to mount up. Yeah, I should Golden Vow instantly and just ride on the horse the whole way. I think Well, no, this is not a bad spot to fight him. This should be okay. I've been getting some crummy rolls. That was supposed to be a double whack, and it's not. Guys. No! I knew that was going to happen. I knew that was going to happen. Don't move your foot! See what I mean with the range? Break him. Break him. Big jump. Okay. That wasn't too bad. Oh, I rolled too early. Big heals though. I should have mounted up and I didn't. It's okay. This ball might be close to me. Yeah, mounting up would have got me here way faster. Dude, I ate the fireball. Get out of the fire. Fighting him in the terrain tucks. Blowing up the shield. Come on, hit him! Where's his other foot? I don't think I'm in fire. Oh, God. God. Okay. That wasn't as good. The dam was way worse that time. But you know what? I missed a lot of key shots. I'm still level 50 on my first playthrough, and I'm so lost. Jacob. Yeah, Caleb says, let's go, Charlie. You got this. Thank you, Caleb. Casper says he's not wacky. I'm not wacky, man. Are you using the right button? No, I keep forgetting and hitting this button. And I got to hit this button. And I've done it. That doesn't do anything for me. That just gives me... That doesn't... all that does is make it so I can shoot poopies. But we're not doing that. Because he's like... he's pretty strong against magic. And my physics are... Inventorio. My physics are... Opaline and makes stance break easier. I mean, no added strength or added anything's going to help me, guys, because we're already hard capped like pretty freaking far. So I think there's nothing to see here just to go in and make this happen. Last night you were pushing the wrong button. I was, especially on the spells. And Trey kept trying to correct me, and you know what I did? I unequipped the staves for this fight because I'm not going to use magic. I'm going to kill this fire giant. I'm going to kill this fire giant, guys. I should have put a counter up, but I don't want to. If it gets really, really to where it's not working very well, and I think it's going to take a long time, I'll start a counter. That was the 50 time, guys. I'll start a counter, and I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this till it happens. Good players can do it. Good players can do it. I just got to get better. That's what we're doing, guys. So I want to be a better Souls player going into the expansion. You know what I mean? Okay, just checking because once you hit the right button last night, you got him down to 25%. Yeah. Hey, John Anweiler, what's up, my friend? Hey, Orcut Surf. Never mind, it's better now. Oh, Orcut, were you having a problem with the with something over there? Welcome, 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 dude. Welcome back. Orcut is watching on YouTube, folks. And you know what? If you guys don't follow me on YouTube, go there and sub. It's free. Trying to get those numbers up, and I'm trying to get monetized there. It's going to take a long time, but you know what? I ain't putting work in, so we're putting some work in now. Never played this game, but looks amazing. John, dude, this game, it was game of the year, man. Catherine McKay says, you got this! Okay, the hype is real, guys. The hype is real. We're also live on Twitch and X, believe it or not, which is probably dumb, but I could just click it and go live there for free, so, yeah, what's the point? Might as well. I don't think it's going to hurt my X account. Okay, okay, we're going to try and get on him a little bit quicker, so maybe we're a little bit farther, he's a little further back. I'm going to drink this now, get my health up, run in, golden bow. I'm a horse. Fight him a little further up the hill, guys. And I got hit with the left button. You're streaming on all three, seeing you on Twitch too? Yes, I am. Yeah, John. Yeah, that's awesome, John. You follow me on all three platforms. I appreciate that very much. No. That was a quick stance break, guys. Mount up every time. He's kind of near rocks, and I don't really appreciate him being near rocks. I gotta go off! I can't dodge if I'm not off. Oh, a lot of fire, a lot of fire. Now he's gonna roll. Better hits, guys. Better hits, all with both swords. I knew he was coming at me. That's why I baked a cake. That was pretty good, guys. Now I'm scared. Now I'm scared. I follow you on my old Facebook account, but I made a new one a while ago. John, welcome back, dude. Catherine McKay follows me on Twitch. Thank you, guys. Yeah, follow me on all platforms, man. Might as well, right? I don't usually let this play out. I think we have plenty of health. I need to run to the hand, guys. I need to run to the hand, and I need to hit that hand. I need to get there quick. I need to hit the hand a couple of times, guys. I need to hit the hand a couple of times, and then turn into the body and whack the eyeball. And that's going to have him. That's going to be a new record if I can just get this off, guys. He ripped his foot off, guys. That's bad. Why am I so freaking nervous? We need to calm down. Okay. I have to drink some problem. No! That was perfect. That was perfect. The eye is what we really want. So we're going to do the same thing. Hand, 2 hits on the hand, and then kind of run out a little bit. Right? Yeah. I did 3 hits on the hand, guys, because the hand is big, damn. And that was as good, again, as we've done so far. 2 hits on the hand, 2 swings, whether I hit or not. Then I got to make a little bit of room. And I can roll that, too, by the way. I can roll that. Yeah, I can roll that. No, we got this, man. We got this. And I'm getting better at phase 1. That last phase 1 was probably my best phase 1 so far. So, you know, we're getting it, guys. We're getting it. That's what's great about this game. Like, I'm not like, oh, man, I don't want to try again. It's like chess, or it's like guitar, it's like life, it's like anything else. Every time you do something, it should be better than the last time you did it. You know what I'm saying? Because you should be paying attention. If you're paying attention, you get better, right? And that I'm starting to get on the hand, guys. Now I got to get the hand to the eyeball transition. Those are going to be some good hits. I came into phase 2 with full health, too. That was sick. And then I just got eaten up. But that's okay. That's okay. I got a few good jump attacks off, too. What if we tried... It's like way worse fire protection for just a few jump attacks. This jump attack thing, probably... Well, you know what? It's adding some damn. It's adding some damn. It's a few shots. It's better. Hey, man, I don't know what else other trinket to put in there. My coffee keeps improving. Jay, how are you today, man? It's all learning, says Tukes Hideout. It is, dude. It is. Even the things you've done 100 times. You know what I'm saying? I mean, okay, sometimes when you master things, then you could do it the same way every time. I haven't mastered this yet. Okay, I like that pull, so I'm going to do exactly what I did last time. Which is a quick bow. Quick bow. That was faster because I mounted my horse. It wouldn't let me change my weapon till an animation was done, but it would let me pull my horse up. Dude, I got that down, guys. I got that down. Come on! I I wanted that so bad. Every hit matters, guys. You're like, what do you mean every hit matters? Well, every hit matters. Get off my horse! And that was early, man. That was so bad. He moves away. Okay. He knocked me out of the fire. Dude, it slowed him down. Did you see that? That was awesome. Why do I roll so fast? Pop off while he's doing that. Dude! The target on kind of messed me up a little bit. Phase 2, baby. Phase 2 and enough health. Ratursky, I was talking about you last night. How you doing, Brian? Okay, guys. See? We're getting phase 1 pretty good. And when I say this is by far the least damage I've done on a fire giant, I still feel like it might be. But the bow might have been tricky. Did we melt him with something? Ratursky, dude. It's going great, man. We got up early. We got live. We got a crew here. Orcut's watching on YouTube. Yeah, this is my 19th playthrough Orcut on mouse and keyboard. Yeah, Ratursky's doing good. Good. We had a great under 1250 tournament next week. I want to see you. I mean, yesterday. I want to see you at the tournament next week, man. Every Wednesday, folks, chess tournament. Charlie Sardo Gaming. Guys, I'm just avoiding the inevitable. I think I'm supposed to mount on the horse. I just feel like I get there really fast and I don't know what he's doing. Should I try running to the hand? No. No, I think the good players mount up, guys. One, two. I didn't want that. Okay, I guess I'm not getting the eyeball. How come I didn't get the eyeball? Just hit him. Hit him with something. Okay. Oh no! Resetting. He's tired right now, guys, because he just did all those attacks. This is the best pull so far, guys. I almost got off my horse. Glad I didn't. Gotta hit something. Just hit anything. I try to roll that. No, I'm getting melted by the fire, guys. Son of a gun! Son of a gun! That was the best pull so far. I'm just not getting easy damage. You know what? You know what I'm not doing either? Somebody told me, and I've killed the fire giant without making this my mantra. But he's like, you got to stay behind him. It's like, dude, staying behind him takes movement time. When I got a foot, I need to hit it. You know what I'm saying? But if you keep getting behind him, it's a lot safer. And it's just a lot more transitions and stuff. Cutscenes are epic. This game looks awesome. Ratursky, this game is awesome. I'm turning down the freaking the heater, guys, because I'm freaking starting to steam up, guys. Oh my god. Hold on. I'm just turning down the heater, guys. Okay, now, do we agree that I can do this? We agree I can do this. We agree phase 1 is coming along handsomely. That doesn't mean we might have a bad RNG phase 1, but I mean, I don't want to will it on us. But, you know, phase 1 is coming along handsomely. Phase 2, that one, I don't know why he didn't fall and give me the eyeball. Maybe... I don't understand. I feel like it did 3 hits. I feel... Well, let's test. I feel like I did this, and then this, and then it went for a third one, guys. See what I'm saying? I was in the animation for so long. No? It's only doing 2. Whoa, whoa. Don't need to fall off the edge of the world, folks. Such a good attempt, though. A switch to the mount mobility was clutch. Yeah, thank you, thank you. I'm loving the tunes with the coffee cam. How do I earn a mod badge? Ratursky, you would qualify as a mod badge. 1000%. But the mods are literally part of the business. The business. And you can have too many mods. And right now I have enough mods. And thank you for bringing it up. When I need mods, when I get mods that are not around too much, I say, hey guys, I need space. Like I don't want to have 16 mods, but 4 of them are friends. You know what I'm saying? So I try and keep the number down. And then when I need one, I go to someone exactly like you, Brian. And so that's how you earn it. You earn it by being here all the time, man. You earn it by being here because you know, mods need to be not people that only are a sub, but people that are here all the time. I don't know if I have any mods that aren't subs, but I'll tell you this. It's not because they have to be subs. Do you know what I'm saying? It's because I need people I trust, people that are like-minded, like you are. You understand Charlie Sardo gaming and the vibe that we put off here. You know what I'm saying? Some people don't get it. Yeah, I have one mod that she just wanted to argue with other people, and then she got into a big argument with somebody off stream in personal messages. And I think she loved it. And I'm like, if you can't not argue with people, it says it in my mod rules. It's like, listen, no arguing with people in chat. If they're being rude, if you want to snooze them, snooze them. If they freaking say something freaking racist, freaking naughty, I'm talking off the chart. But even really naughty things, some people can talk naughty on streams and they don't know. Snooze them, right? The bad stuff, guys. You know what I'm talking about. The stuff we don't talk about. Bitcoin scammer. Just hit ban from page. Very simple rules. You know what I'm saying? And it's worked very well. Because I don't want my mods to come out and then be like, someone's private messaging them. That happened recently too. A mod was, someone started private messaging on Facebook, their private account, and berating them and arguing with them about a snooze they did on the stream. Or about something else. And so I'm like, I just banned the guy. He said, I already did. He banned him from his personal page. And then we had to wait till the guy came in later. And he wouldn't stop. He wouldn't stop attacking. And so I had to get rid of the guy. God bless him. It was a definition of toxicity. Yeah, and he knows it. But he's, God bless the guy. I miss him. My heart will soften. And hopefully his will too. And maybe he'll come back. Guys, it's 21,500 people, man. You know, I want everyone to be special, but we got to keep a vibe here. That's what the mods do. I'm going to try to join you and everyone in March in Texas. Ratursky, I would love it, dude. Ratursky's a good chess player, man. You know who said they might come, guys? On Instagram. I posted on Instagram, Charlie Sardo, no space. Follow me on Instagram. I posted the Chillers March 22nd, 23rd, guys, in Marble Falls, Texas. Go to my page and look for the post. It gives you more information. I posted it on Instagram, and world-famous streamer from Mexico, Zakutso. Chess player, guys. He's a little bit better than me now. He said, I'm down, because he's been here before. I met him. And so Zakutso might come, Ratursky. Zakutso's a strong chess player, dude. And he's the nicest freaking guy in the world. So it's going to make my day if Ratursky comes. It's going to make my day any of you guys that come to this get-together. It's going to be insane. And if Zakutso comes, we're going to have a good chess player, guys. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. So chill vibes that are always provide are always abiding. Thank you, Jay. So and mods that are not argumentative. Yeah. I don't even. I barely like when mods even say like no links in chat. I would like if they would at least say like no links in chat, please. You know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. And then that's about the only thing that, because people say, why did my comment get deleted? Well, you put a link. It's chess.com. Sorry, no one's mad at you. You didn't get banned. We just deleted your link. You guys know you could get a little avatar of chess.com and put it for a link and make it a link to a virus? And it will look like chess.com, but it won't say chess.com. It'll be, oh, chess.com, and they'll click on it. Yeah. That's like the lowest level. That's how I would be a hacker. That's how I would hack people. And I don't even know how to do that. And I know I could do that. So that's why we have no links in chat, right? And the mods help me support that. But the biggest one is sometimes Facebook will feed you to 1 million people, dude. And the number goes way up, which is good and fun. And the Bitcoin scammers come, folks. Never click a links here except for my links. As a matter of fact, I was going to put my bot on. We'll do it later. We'll do it later because we're going to kill this guy. Oh, wait. I did it wrong. Okay. What if we golden vow on phase 2? Because I'm not getting that much damage. I'm not getting that much damage. You know what I'm saying? Dude, I get that every time. Get him with the big jump. Big jump. No! He almost hurt me with the roll, guys. That was actually really, I feel like, for the first part of that, guys, we're fighting in rocks, guys. This is not good. I would like to have gotten... I'm not looking at him. He missed me, good. Nice jump. No! No! Nice jump. Give me a little jumpy. Jumpy. Okay. Oh my god, the fire got me. Okay. I wanted to hit him so bad right there. No! How did I... Dude. I should have hit him. Oh, God, we got him now. Phase 2 with the jump. I missed him! I knew it was phase 2 with the jump. Chris the Cook, how you doing, man? I wish I could spell cast from horseback. Yeah, that'd make things nice. Golden Vow sounds like the Manunu. Yeah, guys, we are not gonna run for the hand, or maybe hit with the hand and get on. I'm still gonna do it. I'm still gonna do it. It's just one hit. No, no, we're gonna Golden Vow. We're gonna Golden Vow. We're gonna Golden Vow, guys. I just gotta run way behind him, Golden Vow, and then re-equip my 2 swords. See, the thing is, Golden Vow lasts like I think 30 seconds, right? It only lasts 30 seconds, guys. Should I go? I know this isn't the place to hit him. Is the problem. He didn't take a lot of damn here, guys, but I'm getting so much off. I mean, okay. He's shooting over there, guys. I'm going back here. Oh, there's a wall though, guys. Just go. Oh no! That was oh no! That was I can drink on the horse. Go! It won't let me horse. It won't let me horse! Dude, how did I... Patience, guys, patience. He's gonna roll him. Oh, come on! Why won't it let me horse up, guys? No! Guys, I didn't think my key was on, my hand was on the W. And that drink didn't work. Come on! I'm being patient, guys. I'm being patient. Come on, I want to target that. The fireballs! Get out of the fire, get out of the fire. I hit escape. That's why I don't horse up, guys. Come on, kill it. That's why I don't horse up. That's why I don't horse up. I hate horsing up. I got... Drink. Get on his leg. Oh my god. No! That was the best attempt yet, guys. That, would you call that 10%? Would you call that 10%? Best attempt yet, because we golden bowed, got a little more damn. What did I do really stupid there, man? Tell me. You guys saw it. You guys saw what I just did. We're going to pour the last warm-up on the coffee, and you guys are going to type what I should do better. Or look at my talismans. I've got more health. I got fire resist. I've got jump attacks for more damn. And that's, I mean, because I don't know what else to put here. And then bigger heals, guys. Bigger heals. Because I almost ran out of health pots right there. I just about did. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know what to do different. Well, we just had a personal best, right, guys? So maybe I just need to get good. Okay, we're gonna be sure this is the +2. It is. These heal things I kind of like, but I wish there was a. I mean, the fire damage negation is about all I can do. Let me look at my physic, because breaks poise. It helps for. Such good dodges? Were there good dodges? Really? Dude, that's good. That just made me feel good. I feel like I could have done better. I know I missed at least one good one, right? Mix my physic. This breaks poise. Let's look at them all, guys. Half HP. Steadily restores HP. Restores half total FP. Okay, boost stamina. No, that's not going to help. Boost strength. Dex. None of those are going to help. Boost resistance and heals. That could help. That could help, guys. I wish there was one. Boost attacks, lightning attacks, boost holy attacks. Enhances charge attacks. I'm not doing that. Temporarily reduce equipment load. Nope. Restores HP. Simply negates damage. Oh, that's a bubble tier. That goes away in one hit. Don't need that. Eliminates FP. Causes. Okay. Guys, I think temporarily boost. Wait. I think boosts resistance and heals status in mixed physics. That might give me a little less, because we just have to deal with the long fight. I just have to deal with the long fight. I just have to get good and stop dying, right? And have to survive with 14 health pots, a crimson medallion freaking trinket, and a trinket to make my heals heal more. And this physic is going to help the heals heal even more. And it's going to boost resistance. That could give me a little more FR, guys. Fire resist. Go with the boost. Jay likes a boost, right? I guarantee it's not optimal, guys. Guys, I guarantee if the best Elden Ring players were here, they'd be like, no, use this, use that. You're doing it all wrong. You're doing it all wrong, right? Now, one thing that's going to happen, phase 1 could be a little harder, guys. Because we're going to break his poise not as fast. But he should stay for a minute. The mount was helpful. Yeah. Running way behind him, golden vowing, mounting up, and running back in. Problem is, I ran back in, and I was hitting him in his thigh. And I'm telling you, it was doing like it was doing some damage. It was not really hurting. It was not really hurting. I need to run behind, get off a little bit ahead of time, get off, and maybe jump attack on the foot. And I need to hit him on the foot, guys. I need to hit him in the foot. Phase 2, not the freaking leg, not the thigh, guys. His thigh. He's got a big freaking thigh, man. Okay, let's make this happen right now. Deep breaths. Deep freaking breaths. Orcut says, seems like your damage was really good with Golden Vow. Maybe cast it again after it runs off in phase 2. Yes! That was a comment from YouTube. That's something we did, man. Yeah. That's one thing I love about this game. So often, we come to the same conclusions. I'm thinking like, oh, I should change that trinket. And like, someone will say like, hey, you should change that trinket. I'm like, yeah, you know? And then, there's so many options. Sometimes we're all over the place with thinking about different ideas, which can be fun too. Okay, get this coffee out of here, guys. I'm going in. Golden Bow. Mount up. Start running. Number 2. Guys, that was my most efficient entry-level pull yet. The setup, it's very simple. Why did I do that so early? Big damn, big damn, big damn, big damn. Missed him. I'm saving health pots, guys. No! Too early! Still too early on that, but I think I got lucky. And too far away! I don't know if I dodged that or he missed me. Come on, let's get me close to phase 2, baby. Okay. I don't have to heal for phase 2. Drink now because there's fire involved. I died. I was going to drink. There's value in every phase 1, guys, because easy phase 1, easy phase 2. You know what I'm saying? And, yeah, I kind of screwed that up, but that's okay. We got this. Hey, Greek! Says hello, Charlie, on Twitch, man. One of my very few Twitch. Guys, we have, like, you know, big number of followers on Facebook. We have, we're around 700, I think, on YouTube. Subs, those are free. You can go there and sub on YouTube. And there's content there, too, guys. There's videos. I've made videos and stuff, man. I don't post videos every day. I'm more live there, but still. And then Twitch is like, I think, 100 and something followers, which a lot of people be like, dude, I want 120 followers, you know? It's like, it's not bad. For someone that never streams on Twitch, 120 followers is not bad. And like I said, we're there now. We're there now, guys. That's all that matters. Oh, faded fast in the first phase for certain. Yeah. Hey, Ng+8. Ng+8 says, Charlie, what's up, dude? How you doing, man? Thanks for watching me on Twitch. Be sure you hit the, on Twitch, do you follow or subscribe? I think you follow, because subs are subs, right? Either way, let's just make this happen, guys. Let's get back into this. That was his 6th attempt. Get that ready. Drink that up. Get that there. See how the poise broke a little bit late, guys. Again, looking good. Poise broke a little bit later, guys, because we didn't have the poise physic. And I needed to drink, guys. There's probably a timing thing there you can do. That was quick. Okay, I gotta see if I can maybe... I've seen people, like, on the no-hit runs, they bait the fireballs. Yep, I knew that was coming. Okay. Yep, I got hit by everything right there. That was good. I gotta stop doing double rolls because he just moves! He moves and you gotta know it. Oh my god. This is so bad. This is so bad. You can't fight him on a rock! Okay. Is he shooting poopies or he's making fireballs? That was nice. A little early on that, but we got it. Fireball might expire here. That was early, but I got lucky. That was double panic roll. See what I'm saying? I gotta only hit once. I gotta hit once, guys. I think his shield helped me. Okay, get out of the fire. Okay, that's okay. Oh no! I rolled back into the fire and died! No, I said to step back. I was gonna step back and heal phase 2. I'll tell you what I'm not feeling. I'm not sure about the extra added healing, but I'm definitely not feeling any extra added resistance. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Follow and sub here on Twitch. Thank you, Greek, man. Good to see you, man. Mean old fire giant. He is, man. He is. I don't like him, folks. I don't... Okay, that was attempt number 7. I think you should try streaming chess here on Twitch once. You know what, Greek? I'm starting to do that. I think I did it. I think I did it already. Maybe the other day I only streamed to YouTube, but I am starting now to set the stream. It's a lot more setup, and then I have to do the starting screen. You see, the starting screen's new, guys, but now I know why they do it, because there's some things that I can't do with one button. If I go live just to Facebook, I hit one button. I set everything up, hit a button, I'm live. There's a little bit of wiggling around. A little bit of wiggling around. By the way, guys, we didn't buy this chat bot for nothing, folks. We get the chat bot up, folks. And I gotta figure out how to put the chat bot on Twitch and YouTube too. I thought about that yesterday. Okay, let's just do this again. A little bit better. Faded. Yeah. Definitely feels like step back. Now it's funny. This window here, the chat is not updating, and I don't know why. This definitely feels like a step back. Yeah, yeah. There we go. Okay, everything's up. Yeah, but you know, sometimes you get bad pulls too. Sometimes you get a good one, he dies. Sometimes you get bad pulls. Okay, here we go. There is some RNG involved. And I am not, like, so great to where every single pull is, all my skills are at 100%. Sometimes I do good. Sometimes I don't do good. You know what I'm saying? So there's going to be when I, like, have a bad pull like that and don't get phase 2, I don't feel bad. I'm just like, no. If... He hit me on the way out, guys. That sucks. Look at the heal, guys. With that trinket, it's kind of crazy. That ball is close. And now I'm like, not... Oh my god, I'm not going to take a lot of damage here. Guys, I got to get him off the freaking... off the rocks. And I've never really done that before. I've never baited him to change the terrain. Oh, he hit me. Drink. Good. I'm going to eat the one. Okay. That was nothing. Get back into work. We got a phase 2 coming, guys. You better block me, because I'm coming to break your leg, and we're going P2. Okay, guys, we're back to P2. Maybe extra resistance wasn't all it's cracked up to be. On one attempt, you can't tell, Jay. That's what I'm saying. On one attempt, you can't tell. You know what I mean? I felt it. You heard what I said. Yeah, you heard what I said. Anyway, I'll be lurking a bit. I'll stay in the stream for the view after work a bit. Greek, thanks, my brother. Yeah. But I thought the same thing, too. So it's like, okay, guys, we're running back, golden vowing, running in, big dam on the foot. You guys ready for this? I don't think you have to go too far. Okay, I did that so quick. I think we have to wait for a little bit of this. He turned on me, guys. Better than hitting him in his thigh, guys. I think fireballs are coming. I think I heard him. No! Okay, good. Oh my god. He nailed me with those. Alright, I like that. Got him before he went away, guys. That was good. Dude, it's like those animations are screwing up. I'll take it. I want the foot. I want the foot. Oh, that was a fireball. Okay, come on. No! Come on. Take drink. Get on a horse. I can't get on my horse. No! I got time. I got time. That was bad. I want him! I want him, guys. This could be it. It's close. I want him! I want him! Do a jump attack, jump attack, jump attack, big damn, big damn, big damn. Got him. All the fireballs. He's gonna shoot poopies at me. Good, he's being nice. Get behind him. Go! Woo! That was a little bit of niceness, guys. Big damn, jump attack. Big damn. Come on! So close, guys. A little bit of turning. Oh no, those are fireballs. Fireballs are good. I don't like fighting them in here, guys. I don't like fighting them near the rocks. Better. Can I bait those? We got him! We got him! We got him! Hey! I did it, guys. I did it. Melee. No summons. Wow, man. 0 mana pots, guys. 0 mana pots. Phase 2, wow, smash that foot and evade. Jay, that's what I did. Let's go! It's only a flesh wound, Monty Python. Woo! Oh, man. Guys, my heart. You know what? The goal of this, guys. I mean, the goal of this playthrough. The highlight of this playthrough. Well, there's a couple of things. It's my second no summons playthrough. Okay. Besides that, on Steam, I have every achievement except for obtain all legendary weapons. And I need the weapon from Bernal. And I screwed up last time. I burned the capital. And I couldn't get it. So this playthrough, starting over, I'm like, I got to get to Farum Azulas. And get... But I had to do Volcano Manor Invasions first and get Bernal's invitation. So now Bernal will be at Farum Azula beside the Great Bridge. Instead of turning right to go to Malekith, you turn left. Go down the ladder. I still got to kill him, guys. I still got to kill him. He's going to be a hassle, I think. We're going to do that right now. We're heading there. We're heading there. And when I loot his weapon, I will 100% the achievements on Steam. Which, with that, guys, I have over 1,100 hours in this freaking game. Some people do all the achievements on their first playthrough. Isn't that crazy? And this is number 19. But I've never focused on it. So once I realized there was an achievement, I want to do an achievement. I want to be an achiever, guys. Guys, do you guys even know? Guys, I am the 1989 Pasadena Chess Club B champion. Okay? Okay? I like achievements, guys. I like to achieve things. I like to achieve things, folks. 1989. B. I'm telling you, I tied. I tied for the expert prize. 4.5 points out of 6, guys. I'm like, well, don't I get that? They're like, no, you're the B player. I'm like, yeah, but it was an open. I didn't play in a section. I played against the open, guys. I beat an expert that tournament. That was and then I'm sure I lost to a master because I lost one game. Lost one game, drew a game, and then 4.5 out of 6. Not a bad result for a lowly B player. They gave me a trophy. It's a big deal, guys. It was huge. It was huge. Anytime you can take down the B prize. Did you guys know the FIDE Master David Bassett has won that tournament outright? Like he was the winner. Not the B champion. Not the A champion. Not the under 2200 champion. Like all these freaking masters come to freaking win the Pasadena Club Championship. And FIDE Master David Bassett won the Pasadena Club Championship. That's cool. Charlie, is all your family in California? Originally from there. Basically, Caleb, yes. Pasadena Chess Club B champion, God love it. 1989, eat your heart out. Yeah, the Lebowski Little Achievers, LOL. Congratulations, Lois! Oh, man, this is freaking fun, guys. We just freaking adapted and overcame, man. We did, guys. Dude, that's what I love about this game. I don't want the game to be that easy. Hey, guys, we've done the Bubble Boy play. Now, wait. Wait. Do I burn? Do I burn, guys? Oh, wait. No, see, like, I think if I burn, I think I have to go back to Ranny. I'm not burning yet, guys. I'm not burning yet. We're gonna do stuff. We're gonna go see Ranny. She's my friend. She's my witch friend. She's probably sleeping. But I just feel like I need to go there and double check. And then I killed the first reindeer in Seofa River, right? So I'm trying to think how to I mean, I guess that wouldn't have hurt that bad, right? It was still scary though. No burn. Yeah, it's so Clint Clifton says no burn, dude. You burn a tree, man, you can't take it back. You can't take it back. But but I have to burn the tree to get Farum Azula, which is going to get my last achievement, guys. And I will have 100%ed on Steam achievements. Whoa. Yeah, which I would be very, very happy about. She's sleeping. Okay. So now do I have to do like... How do I continue her quest? I have to go to Nokron and get the... Is that Nokron? But to go to Nokron, don't you have to... Oh, I have to kill Radon. I have to kill Radon. I have to kill Radon, guys. I have to kill Radon. We have a Fort Faroth. Can you run from here? We have to kill Radon, guys. I always thought the tree burning you had to do. I didn't know it was optional. Well, to finish the game, you have to burn the tree. I think to finish the game, you have to burn the tree. You do. You do. Right? But here's okay, let me put a little blue guy up. First off, are there any... Yeah, there's... Guys, you guys ever put the little markers, and they're all over the map, and whenever you put a marker, you have to, like, read the number because you've got so many freaking markers on your screen? I hate that. I hate that. So every once in a while, you just kind of do a little poopy cleaning, guys. You look for the poopies, and you delete the amigos. Oh, Carrion Study Hall I have to do for her, guys. But did she give me the inverted thing? Maybe Radon first? You do have to burn the Erd Tree, man. I believe, to finish the game. This is where we're going, to Redmane. So if I can get to this... Oh, we can go to Commander Nail, too, if we want to. I always thought the tree burning... Yeah, now Commander Nail is going to be freaking tough, guys. Because this is Ng+8. And if I don't have summonses... I don't need to do him, though. Because we're not doing all those quests. I don't know if I can get there from here, guys. I don't know if I mean... I think I need to be over here and run this way past the Poopy Dragon. There's not a portal that will take me there, is there? I feel like I just got to go here and run. It'll be a nice drive, folks. Guys, I'm freaking sweating! Guys, hat hair, guys. It's not for the faint of heart, guys. Let's see if we can... There we go. Yeah, I had helmet, guys. The helmet was real, folks. I had a huge helmet of hair. It's gone now. It's gone now. We're looking better. There we go. Okay, after that fire giant, I think we deserve a nice little break. You deserve a break today! Full show tune voice, folks. You absolutely love to see it. I don't care about Summon Water. What's his name? I just want to run. If I could just run past this, that'd be great. Oh, the warmth of the fire giant. Dude, he heated me up, bro. I was sweating, man. I was freaking sweating. Sweating and jetting, folks. You absolutely love to see it. Man. I got stuff to look forward to. Guys, life is good, man. Life is good. Times they are changing, too, man. As Bob Dylan said, times they are changing. Times they are changing. They are. We fear change. Remember that, guys? Now, you tell me. Whoa, I'm going the wrong way. I'm completely turned around. Okay, I see the red. I see the red clay of Kaled, folks. I see the red dirt. Yeah, so times they are changing and we fear change, but you guys, sometimes you gotta embrace it. You gotta rock and roll it. You know what I'm saying? You gotta rock and roll your change, folks. Oh, wait. Isn't there an invasion right here? And we're gonna have to do it. No, we can do some malarkey. I think I get invaded right here. You should dump me off my horse. Told you. Well, that was good for 60%. Whoa, whoa! Dude, my weapons are slow, bro. Gotta drink. Oh my god, I gotta get health up. Out of range. That was a drink. Bait. I should have stayed in and just finished her. Ah! Hey! Okay, we got her. Good thing we had 14 health pots, folks, because I almost had to play Elden Ring right there. Sacred Scorpion Charm. That's not... That... What is that? We already have some of those? Yeah, we do. There's a Scorpion Charm. Oh, I have 3 of them. There's a Scorpion Charm that Drew wants me to get. Ethel Merman would be proud as well as Dylan. Hey, man, I got to admit, I got a pretty crappy Merman and a pretty crappy Dylan, but you know, you kind of know what I'm doing. You know? I saw Rip Taylor. I told you guys on my honeymoon. I saw Debbie Reynolds had a hotel. It's called the Debbie Reynolds Hotel in Vegas. We stayed there on our honeymoon for a couple nights. We stayed a few different places. And I saw Debbie Reynolds and I saw Rip Taylor, guys. He was like wearing the suit. Might have had a hat on. And he was freaking throwing confetti, guys, just like TV. You guys are like, who's Rip Taylor? He's an old man that kind of talks in show tune voice, like I was just doing. And he throws confetti. That's Rip Taylor. Comedian, I guess. More performer than comedian. I guess maybe people would call him a comedian. Everyone was a triple threat back then. I guarantee he dances like Fred Astaire. I guarantee he sings amazing. Back in the day, you had to be really good to be famous, guys. You know? But then, I don't know what happened, but I just know that the world opened up for all of us. Now, anyone can be famous. You don't have to be good. You know what I mean? So it's cool. Hey, bonus, right? You know, I mean, you know, who needs hard work? Who wants to do all that work to learn how to dance? You know what I mean? That is awesome at the moment. Ethel Moyman. Okay. Looking. We're just going to follow the road. I think I can take a little... Whoa. Ah! Ah! The bird's coming now. He's not coming. Ooh, I thought I could... Okay, well, I guess we're not getting that loot. The bird... I told you the bird wants me! Don't you want me? Jody Watley. I think I got the 12-inch single, folks, on vinyl. I think I'm supposed to be up there. Well, I can't... I don't think that's the road. Well, we'll grab this Grace, and then we'll get our bearings, guys. No ball bearings. Our bearings. I used to have to come here every freaking playthrough, folks. Every freaking stream I had to come here and get fire arrows. Okay? Comedic actor. For sure, like vaudeville performers had to. Yeah, man. Yeah, back in the day it was weird. I'll tell you what's really crazy too. If you watch some like old black and white variety style shows, there's a name for them. Hootenannies, I don't know what they're called. But everybody is so talented. Like the band, everybody in the band, first off, their hair looks painted on. Their clothes look painted on. Their skin looks painted on. And then everyone in the band is like... I mean, I get paid playing music. I'm not bad. I ain't the best guitar player in the world, folks. Still make some money doing it. And it's crazy. These old shows, man. All these musicians, they're all so good. There's no hacks up there. They don't let hacks up there. They won't be like, hey, come on, give Billy the gig. They're like, no way, it's freaking TV, man. On TV, only the best. The quality, guys, the quality back in those days was so high. We're going to have to run by a poopy dragon that I'm not going to kill. You know why? I'm not killing everything in this playthrough, guys. I don't need it. I don't need it to make myself feel better about myself. What I do need is to progress. I mean, can you skip Radon to finish the game? I think Radon might be part of Ranny. No, because when I see people doing playthroughs Maybe those are like all Great Room playthroughs or something. We still have to get a Great Room, guys. How do we do that? I think I'm on the wrong road, guys. Nope, this is it. We got some stitch poopies right here. I think I see my sleeper. I'm gonna sneeze! No, I didn't really sneeze, guys. I just made the noise to be funny because I was bored. I'm trying to be a good streamer. I'm like, sometimes this gets boring, Charlie. Just like pretend you sneeze or something just to break up the monotony. That's what I did right there, guys. And you fell for it. You guys totally bought it. There's some of you guys are watching with closed caption. You didn't even hear the scream. The sneeze, guys. It was a real sneeze. Oh. We're heading, right now, if you're just getting here or you're curious what the hell is going on, where am I going? We are going to Radon. Radon. We're going to grab the Grace over here, too. We're going to turn right. I would have felt pretty good about getting another Grace. There is a Grace right there. I should grab it. You know why? I have everything from this guy, guys. I've been here. Purchase. I have everything. Flaming bolts. 40. I could buy 600. Not going to use them. Don't need any of this. Don't need any of that. Do we go back up here to the little white church? There's a bird over there. Yeah, you know what? We're going to grab this Grace, guys. No, I'm not going to grab the Grace. I'm all over the place. Ah! And I'll tell you why. Because I think I can outrun these birds. These freaking Marty birds. And oh, it's right here. We're there already, man. Yeah, it's not very far away. These birds are nasty, guys. Good, guys. That's my 472nd golden seed. That'd be awesome if, like, the new expansion comes out and solve. Use 300 golden seeds to get another charge on your flask. And I'm like, okay. And the people that, like, haven't, like, kept playing playthroughs and stuff. Then, like, the speedrunners would be, like, farming golden seeds. They'd be just speedrunning golden seeds. Start a new playthrough. Golden seed. Repop the seeds. Caleb Boyd. Trey. Charlie's me. Is Trey here? Is Trey here? I don't see... Oh, Trey, dude! You should have seen all the stuff that happened. I took 14 health pots and no mana pots. The only thing I ever cast on Fire Giant was Golden Bow a second time, phase 2. I meleeed him the whole time. Never even did this. Wait, where is it? How do you do it? Never did one of those. Never did one of the shooters. Never did that. Never did it. I meleeed him. No summons. 14 health pots. Guys, Radon. This is going to be tricky, though, guys, because I'm trying to think. Well, I guess I did. I don't want to say never. Is Radon immune to poopies? I know rot gets him. I could probably craft a rot pot and just throw it on the fool. I'm used to summoning a bunch of guys. Summon a bunch of helpers. Right? To distract him while I fight him. This is going to be weird, man. I have watched a little bit of Radon recently on Lil Aggie's stream, folks. And I'll tell you this. I am so scared when Radon puts the gravity... he summons the gravity balls. He's kind of holding them on like, I'm going to throw these at you whenever I yell to you. Right? And, you know, you just watch better players and you're like, well, it doesn't scare him. So just pay attention and just roll him. Yeah, so Fire Giant's down, dude. And I didn't burn the tree. Caleb Boy says, I don't know if I told you this, Charlie. The amount of cornstarch I drink a month is 25 pounds. I drink 31 grams every 3 hours. The amount I drink depends on the amount of rigorous activity, like the last snowstorm we got. We shoveled 10 inches of snow. Yeah. Okay. Look. He's almost done. Yeah. Then you had to drink 50 grams. I never knew the amount. I just knew that you had your very serious health issue that you have to deal with. And wow, man. That's amazing. I have no knowledge of that. It's like Mind-blowing to me. I can't imagine how it is for you. Was that, yeah. Okay, we're here. So the festival has started, and that's why there's no poopies here. We did it, Trey. I think it was 7th or 8th attempt. 2 last night, and the second attempt I had him to like 25% in phase 2. Yeah, but so I knew I was going to get it, but it took me like 7 attempts today. But we got it, and I put dude, check out the funky flasks. Check out the funky flask. Opalene hard tier and speckled hard tier heals status and raises resistance. And when I got him at 25% last night, Fire Giant, I had a freaking golden scarab and all my sorcery trinkets on, and I wasn't casting anything. You know what I'm saying? So what we got going here is, so look what I put. I put Crimson Amber Medallion, Fire Negation, Jump Attacks, and bigger heals for my flask. That's what I used. Because last night I got him to 25% with 4 trinkets that were doing 0 help for me. Literally 0 help. Charged attacks and sorceries and a golden scarab. I've got a golden scarab. I've got a golden scarab. Okay, guys. Not too many doctors know about it either, or how to treat it. I want to say there's like 1,200 of us throughout the whole globe. Wow, man. You're a special person, Caleb. Sorry about that, though. You got to deal with whatever. Hey, man, it worked. It worked. I'll tell you this. We didn't even feel the boost resistance. We didn't feel that at all. But it helped a lot with my health pots because my heals were off the chart when I finally drank. You know what I mean? And all I did, Trey, was this. And then the occasional when I screwed up and hit the wrong button, and Caleb was like, "Are you hitting the wrong button again, Charlie? You were doing that last night." Sometimes, see, the thing about this isn't the recovery. The recovery time is faster with the right-handed hit, with the one hit. You know what I'm saying? How good you did last night? I thought you were going to get it in 2 tries. Yeah, right. Yeah, like I said, sometimes there's RNG. I don't always go in and do exactly the right thing every time, exactly like I did last attempt. You know what I'm saying?
Into the freight.
Okay. Now we're going to need to put some spells on, though, because... Trey, what do you recommend for the recovery is faster but damage? Yeah, exactly. Right. But the point is sometimes a quick hit can help. You know what I mean? Oh, yeah. While he's talking, you're supposed to run over here and grab loot, guys. So, what do you recommend, man? Should we try and... I think if I put my sorcery trinkets back on, we're gonna watch this, guys. If I put my sorcery trinkets back on,
before we begin,
my
my
ash from my, or no, I think I want magic damage. But that ash does a lot of damage. No summons, Caleb. No summons. No summons Radon incoming. Be right back. We're gonna watch this and then we're gonna kill Radon.
General Radon is cursed ever to wander. Eaten from the inside by Melania's scarlet rot, his wits are long gone. Now he gathers the corpses of former friends and foes alike, gorging on them like a dog. Howling at the sky.
But now, we must...
Man, that was perfect timing, folks.
Oh, gathering of champions.
But now we make merry. Okay, once he says make merry, it's showtime. So, yeah, so Trey, should we go ahead and put some equipment back on? And you want... carrion. So I would need to move my finger seal to the seals are down, right, guys? Finger seal to my right hand. Because there's only 2 slots on the left, am I right? You want carrion. You want glintstone in my right hand. You want glintstone in my right hand. Glintstone in my right hand. That I know that's what you want. Equipment. Because that's what I keep clicking. Yeah, right? Yeah. Is that the Stormtrooper chair? This is a Stormtrooper chair. It is. I'll show you guys Trooper chair later. By the way, if you're out there lurking, guys. Baby, I'm fixing to kill Radon. I'm going to do him dirty. If you're out there lurking. It's a season of love, baby. It's Valentine's Day. You think this is creepy? Wait till the saxophone comes in. Ooh, it's sexy. Here we go. Ooh. This is the Valentine's Day lurker love, guys. It was meant to be happy. It ended up creepy. Yeah, wow. That's getting harder and harder for me to stomach. I don't even know what to say anymore. I have to write a script. Andrew Bryant, thank you for the like, man. I want to thank Andrew Bryant. We have to, guys, we got to apply trinkets and we have to apply weapons. Say it. Trinkets and weapons. All at the same time. The Smooth Lurker Stylings. Go, Charlie. So, yeah, man. I want to thank Andrew Bryant, Quaid Walton, Trey Karich, Yanni Penders, Jackery Tiller, I love you, my friend. Lois New, Jordan Karka, love you, my friend. Mex Boston, love you, my friend. Ian Monza, love you, I gotta say it to everybody. Steezy Steven, Joey Wilkinson, and Sean Florick, thank you guys for all the love and likes, guys. Throw me the likes, sub on YouTube. It's free! And follow me on Twitch. And follow all my, in the description, all my socials are all right there, guys. Get involved, get involved. Check out the website. Yada, 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 yada. Brian Matursky for the 500. Kevin Cook for the 200 at work. Charlie Keytron, my old friend, for 200. Courtney Reed with the 200 13 hours ago. That was last night, guys. Okay. So here, I think I actually want to put it here. And this is going to be glintstone, guys. This is going to be glintstone. Glintstones, meet a glintstone. There we go. Now I put finger seal here. Why does it always go to the top? Can you drag this? You can't. You guys scroll like a fool. It's okay, guys. We're prepping. Let's talk physics. Maybe poise break. Maybe poise break. What do you guys think? Poise break. Poise break could. It's probably going to be better than the resist and the heal. Yeah, the heals thing you need for Fire Giant. Long fight, lots of damn. He has a ton of health. I need a ton of health. That's why, guys. That's exactly why. Okay, now he didn't name me either. It's all good. Yeah. Dang, he doesn't love me, man. I'm telling you, I said I gotta say it to all of you guys. It's like it's just the call-outs, man. Just the call-outs. I gotta just not love anybody anymore, I guess. Okay, now I don't know what my Carrion Regal Scepter. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. Right hand. Now, do we want to do... Trade, should I cast? Hey, Kevin Chavarie, how you doing, man? Supporter, star giver, and commenter. Kevin? Guys, be like Kevin. Be like Kevin Chavarie. So, I love you, Kevin. Sorry, Trey and Caleb. So, talk to me about spells, man. Is this guy, like... Is there a frostbite scenario happening here? I bet there is. Are you leveling up anymore or done? Clint Clifton, I got one level last night. We went from level 91 int to 92 int. I kind of have a thing. Oh, the heater's kicked on, guys. Jay Williams says loading comment. I have this thing where if I end up with 1,000,000 runes, then I will go farm another 1,000,000 to get a level. Because it's 2 million runes for a level. And once I have 1,000,000 runes, I feel like I don't want to lose these 1,000,000 runes. And guys, I'm not the guy that just picks up his runes after every fight. I don't. Trey says you need to cast using the Lusat stab. If you are still casting with your left hand, then I would switch to stabs. No, I'm gonna switch it to the right. Although, oh, you think spells are good for Radan? The usual spell scenario. You're talking about like a moon pop, guys. Okay, talk to me about trinkets. Jump attacks, don't need it. Oh, yeah, we got to put our spells on. Do we do shorten spell casting time? Was that one of them? And then the other one was like something about sorceries, right? Yeah, it was this one. No. Not spell casting time. Why not? Oh, I think we had one of these on. I don't know. I don't think he does fire specifically. I don't remember what trinkets we had for this build, man. Oh no, incantations. Greatly oh, it's two of these. It's two of these guys. I found them. Greatly sorceries. Raises sorceries, greatly sorceries. And then we had a Dragon Crest, and then this is the one I think you said no about, Trey. Is that not right? Why not? If it shortens the casting time, why not? And I don't think I'm going to stay mounted. I just can't do it, guys. Because I'm not good enough to dodge stuff. When I'm on my horse, I'm going to get hit. At least, I mean, guys, okay, I get hit anyway, but at least I have a chance to roll. Ola, thank you for liking the stream. I don't understand why these aren't my trinkets, man. I think they are. Raises potency of sorceries, greatly raises potency of sorceries, shorten spell casting time, enormously boosts physical damage. He does gravity damage, and gravity damage is physical damage. So that's definitely going to work. It's going to help. It's going to help, guys. It's going to help. Let's talk about physic. Heal status and raises resistance. We got to mix one, guys. We got no grace. There's no grace between. We have to go back. Because I want to get Radon done, guys. Remember how hard Radon was, man? And Radon might be harder than a Fire Giant, guys. He might be. I doubt it. But he might be. Yeah. Dude, my stream is so killing it right now after I made those changes. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I am so happy, guys. You know we fear change, right? We fear change. Oh. This one is just dumb. Break stance could be good. Oh, I had Shard of Alexander. I had Shard of Alexander for charge attacks. I remember now. And we're going to go for this charge attacks. I just remembered. Equipment Oreo. It's not spellcasting time. Embrace the change, guys. You've got to get down, get funky, get live. Of skills. See, because I'm telling you guys, this right here, big damn. Or do we put Frost Poopy? I don't think there's a flask for Frost Dam, right? Mix my physic. Give you this one. Boost magic. Fire. Lightning. Holy. Yeah. No. I think we're good, guys. We're good for Radon. We're going to run up. We're going to skip all the dialogue for the... We're not going to watch the cutscene. We're going to skip all the dialogue. Whoa. How you doing? How do we look together, guys? She's like, you're a cross-dresser. So it's like, well, yeah, and? I'm a witch. I think, actually, I am more femininely stylish than this woman. Okay? Absolutely, folks. If you just want to get down and talk about, you know, who's popping. Oh, I got to activate the Great Rune too, but how the hell do I do that?
Festival begin.
Okay, we're going to skip this.
Before we begin,
Now let's make merry.
But now, we must...
I don't even know her. How do we activate the Margaret's Great Rune, man? Like, I don't remember. I think it's after... There's a chair in my way, guys. I think it's after the Godskin Roly-Poly. I think it's after Roly-Poly, right? But where is that? I don't know. I hope we're equipped, guys. I hope we're equipped. Yeah. And see, with this in my right hand, what I cannot do is... Whoa. I can't do this. Oh, that's right hand. I can't do this. It's not my right hand, so it won't do the buff. Let's see if I two-hand it. I can. Okay, so I can do that out of my left hand if I want to. Charlie, you got this. Thank you. The usual spells, guys, and what Trey's talking about are Terra Magica. If we can be in Terra Magica, it's going to be rough, guys. It's going to be rough. To standing in Terra Magica is just not... I don't know. We're going to bust a full moon, and then we're going to Glintstone Ice Crag him to death, build up a little bit of frost, I hope, guys. I'll probably bust the Terra Magica for fun. Oh, yeah. And, well, yeah. What I'm going to do when I run in, guys, I'm going to immediately back away. And like this. I'm going to run away from him. I don't know if I'm supposed to mount up or not. But if I run away from him, and we have to, okay, so I'm going to hit 1 now to switch to my staff. Okay. And then I think I'll have time to Golden Vow and, oh, I have no mana pots. Why didn't you guys tell me? No summons definitely adds a huge degree of difficulty. Did you have mana? Quaid! Ah! With the delay, I know Quaid did not hear me say that. Quaid had already typed that and sent it. And I'm like, why didn't you guys tell me? Quaid, I love you, dude. Sorry, Trey. Sorry, kid. Let's go for Blaskus's. Allocate. Okay. Like 5 and 9. I bet I'm not going to use 5. I might. Yeah, I did. No, I could tell. I could tell. Because there's a delay. And when I talk, people aren't sitting there with their hands on the keyboard. And when I say something, they type and hit enter, and it's an instant. That was too instant. I knew you had pre-typed that. And I'm like, why didn't you guys tell me? That's freaking funny, man. Ola, thank you for the like. It really helps the stream. If you're new to the stream, man. I'm Charlie. Play guitar, play chess. Okay, I can escape through all this, guys. We're going to be back at Radon's feet in a matter of seconds.
But now, we must
with the proper... Whoa. With the proper amount of malarkey. Why does it say 1 and it's not lit up? Did you guys see my flask? I just rested. So I have a flask. Dude, one thing I've never done, looked. I have never looked at the arena, guys, from here. You guys probably have already done this. Wow. Boy, that hill seems like a lot higher when you're down there. You know? I've never looked at the arena from here, guys. That was kind of cute. Kind of fun. Okay. We're going to physic. We're going to run in. I'm going to run. I'm probably going to mount up. I'm going to run away and gold vow. I'm going to get my, with the number 1 button, I'm going to get my Lusat staff back up in my right hand. Then, we are going to scroll to the moon poopy. I would think mounting up could work on this. The problem with it is especially the range. The range. Can you even shoot from your horse? The range with the ice crag poopy thing I'm going to be shooting at him, that's not going to work. Running away will be tough with arrows. We'll see. We'll see. We're going to drink. I'll show you what I mean now. I'll show you guys what I mean on the pull. I think that's all I need. Whoa! Come on. See, I didn't get out of range enough, but now I'm out of range. Now he's going to come to me, guys. Come on. Okay. He should be coming to me. Did I run far enough away? You see him shooting way away from me? Oh, that one was a little closer. Dude, I thought he's supposed to run to me in that scenario. Ugh. Oh, I gotta get the moonblade up. I hit him with it. I gotta look at him. I'm like looking at spells and stuff. Health pods. Dude, you can't get that lucky every time. You gotta time some of these freaking dodges. Got the frosting on. Okay, better drink up. Double drink. Double drink. That's good. Not a bad phase one. Not a bad phase one. Should drink mana too. Where is he? Well, I didn't get any big damn on the. Okay. First attempt! Radonna's down. No summons. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. I had to heal. I had to heal up. I had to heal up, guys. I'm a little embarrassed. That was good, though. That was good. We got him with the freaking moon. There's a skill to getting with the moon, and I don't really have it down. But I think I got a little bit lucky that time. Maybe they're like in other words, maybe my experience with the moon is getting better. So obviously it's going to be now. There's Nokron. They're going to make a hole in the ground, folks. We're going to go fight a memer. Dude, it's 1:30, man. I freaking love this thing. It's flying by. I'm having so much fun. I'm having so much freaking fun right now. And what do we have to do in Nokron? Twin Gargoyles, Estelle. Jeff Connolly says back home from wound care appointment. Wound is getting bigger. Oh my God, so I'm taking a leave of absence from work to help stay off my feet as much as possible. Oh, and my ankle isn't burning right now. Knocks on wood. Dude, your ankle is not going to burn, dude. Your ankle's going to feel great.
Ah, good.
You know, you said the wound's getting bigger. Maybe sometimes you got to take a step back forward to make backwards to make two steps forward. That's why I'm looking at this. And the lack of burning is a good, dude. I'm so happy for you. I know you were dreading that, dude. I know you were dreading that. Wow. Guys, Radon went down quick, bro. This game is easy peasy when you know what you're doing.
Aye, one hit after that.
I like the fact that I'm still not so good at this game to where it's just like, okay,
Just you.
I know every move from every boss. Just dodge this, dodge that, kill him, kill him, kill him. I'm not making fun of the
So,
dream big.
all from now on. So,
Wine and Rhymers. See, now I have 729,000 runes. Sick fight, eh?
Let me will go into my only purpose curtains right. Let me will go into my only purpose curtains rising.
Okay. I usually go into the catacombs and pick gloveworts, guys. Not doing it this playthrough. Isn't that crazy? We can just pour it out of here, guys. We want Nockrond. Without the D, though, guys. Nockrond. We got to go get a thing for Ranny. We don't have to, but we want to. Because she's our friend, guys. It's the only playthrough I'm familiar with. Starfall Crater. Yep, this is our Grace. We could put a poopy on this. No, we just hit. We know the run. Yeah. Jeff's going through a long healing process right now, man, and it's been a little bit rough for him. Caleb, cool. It's been a little rough for him. You know what, Jeff, that I can tell about you, which is, I'm telling you, it's a big deal. You're keeping your attitude. Keeping your attitude is huge. It's freaking huge, guys. Okay, I'm heading right toward it, but I feel like I gotta go this way. Leave my baptist is going to hurt my wallet. Oh, man. Sorry to hear that, Jeff. Yeah. Times they are a-changing. This too shall pass, though, man. You'll overcome it. So, I'm going to get naked for the meme, guys, just because it's for the meme. He is over here. Oh, right there. Sorry, guys. You can do all of this, I think, without a horse, right? How close? Oh, we had lots of. The horse scares me, guys. It's over here. This doesn't look like it. But where's the door? Isn't there a door right there or something? And I just can't see it from here. Is this it? With 729,000 runes? Yeah, they make the door kind of dark. I keep my attitude because life's too short to always be down. Plus, it helps me to stay in a good mood about things. Yeah. No, I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you, man. My uncle told me a great thing one time. And he said... I've told the story before, but he said almost the same thing Meyer Lansky said, but slightly different. He said money... He said it's important, but money doesn't matter. He said health matters. He said, Charlie, your attitude is everything. And Meyer Lansky, in his book, he sent some kid a bar mitzvah, some money for a bar mitzvah and a note. And he said, when you have lost money, you have lost nothing. When you lose your health, you have lost something. When you lose your character, you have lost everything. And that's like two older, very successful men. And they're not just saying this, they are not saying this to be drastic. They are not putting attitude and character ahead of health to be drastic. They're doing it because to them that it's more important. Yeah, I'm not talking specifically about your health right now, Jeff, because I don't know what pain people are going through. You know what I'm saying? But the point is, here's the point of those sayings. There's some value to it. There's some value to it. And when I say successful, too, very successful, Meyer Lansky was a very successful mob boss, right? Or, you know, he wasn't actually a boss, but yeah, he was very successful. He had a lot of money coming out of the Flamingo guys back in the 70s. Ooh! He had big big dam coming out of the flamingo. He had a nice cut, folks. Yeah, he died broke. I mean, I think there was like a couple $100,000, and like Jimmy Blue Eyes like literally stole the money. He was supposed to bring it to the daughter or something, and like he stole it because I think there was a son that had special needs or something, or maybe he get. Yeah, something like that. I read the book. Okay, it's been 30 years since I read it. But I know that some of that money was supposed to go to Meyer's son who was special needs, who was in a home or something. And it never made it there. Ain't it the truth? Are you doing the 4 Belfries to get the Ferrum Mazzola or the tree? Oh, you can do that. You can do... Is it one of the portals? I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know which thing I'm doing to get... I don't think I've ever done it. Oh, so you can do it without burning the tree. Someone was asking about that. That should be a different ending, though, and I've done all the endings. So did I ever not burn the tree? Just in case, we got to respect, folks. Guys, here at Charlie Sardo Gaming, we know all the tricks, all the secret loot locations. Oh, wait. It's right here. Only here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. So if you're focused on... And rune arcs are good. If you're even though we don't have a great rune activated. If you focus on the freaking fog wall, you won't get the loot. You won't get the loot, folks. Okay. Feeling pretty good about this. We're going to leave him with this. That's what we're going to leave him with, guys. So he'll cast like Golden Bow over and over again. He'll be a little harder to hit, but he'll be or to hurt. But I mean, I guess I could remove Golden Bow and put something on like you know, negates fire damage or something stupid, right? And then we'll just pop a staff on. It's the cheap Mimi cheese, folks. Only here. You just got to get him spawned. Hello. You just got to get him spawned. Come on, Mimi! There he is. Where's the sword? I told you he was going to golden bow, guys. He's going to dodge, guys. I knew it. Sorry, Mimi. Oh, he's throwing rocks at me. That's jacked up. He's going to heal, too. You better heal, Mimi. You better heal up, Memester. There you go, and I'll take it right back away from you, Mimi. He's throwing rocks at me, guys. He's jacked up. It's a bad move. If I have to drink, it'll be embarrassing, guys. He's actually hitting me with his fists, guys. He's a good Mimi. He's a good Mimi. I feel bad for him. Sorry, Memester. Yeah. No, you got nothing. He's got no weapons, guys. This is like shooting fish in a barrel. It's wrong. But we just want to get through this, guys. I already have Memesters. Thank you, Mimi. I could have... No, it's a no summons run. But that wouldn't have mattered. I could have summoned a Mimi to fight the Mimi. And then you stay back and you do Mimi fights. That's kind of fun. Right? Guys, see, that's what I'm talking about, Jeff. It's stuff like that. It's after Unite Darkers and you're talking to the chat bot. I love it. Well, I just stopped smoking in November last year. Congratulations, Magnus. That's a good thing, man. Okay. Now we're going to... Whoa, we got to come up. Probably should put my weapons back on, guys. Yeah, I gotta put the weapons back on. We gotta have some walking around weapons, folks. So now, this one was going to be Lusat staff. We gotta re-equip, folks. Come on, show me the pretty Lusat staff. Show me why the staff's gotta be last all the time. I don't know why my staff's gotta be angry all the time. Okay, good. That worked out kind of good. We're right by the swords. And then this one is going to be Carrion Regal Scepter. Okay. Carrion Regal. Korean Regal Scepter, guys. Oh, wait. Let's just do some walking around swords. I guess I got to come up here to activate. Are we going to get our freaking Somber 5, guys? I would kill that beetle, but I did it last playthrough, right? I killed every beetle last playthrough. My Somber 5, bro. Hey! The no-hit Somber Smithing Stone 5. Can't even say it, folks. Only here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. Why do I want to loot this all the time? Butterflies, guys. These guys are looking at me. I want the grace. I want the grace. Ooh, I don't think I've ever looted those poopies before. And I don't think I've ever gone over here before. Ooh, there's a lily now. Grab that stuff. Trina's going to be mad, guys. Trina's going to be pissed. Okay. Grab the Ancestral Woods Grace. Is this Ancestral Woods, guys? Now, we got to go down there not to get the Mimi. We're not going to get the Mimi. But we do have to go down there to get Randy's Malarkey. To make Randy a happy camper. Right? Gimme! Okay, and run! Oh, I almost land. Ah! No! I knew I did that! I hit space to jump! Guys, I hit space to jump, and then I hit... You saw I made a little twitch. I hit F at the last second. I was just running fast because I felt confident, and guess what happened? Okay, well, it's only 700,000 runes. It's only 700,000 runes. We'll grab them. It's just one more thing to think about. Oh, they're right here, though. I'll take that. Guys, I didn't hit the F button. I hit the freaking space bar. Because I almost landed on top of that thing. And by doing that, it kind of threw me off. I really did. I'm like, ooh, I almost landed on top of that. And then I hit space bar to roll instead of jump. It was not good. It was made of wood. I'm actually pretty excited about later tonight. Got some fun plans. And... but don't get me wrong. We are 1,000,000,000% after darking, folks. We don't even have to go over there. Might as well, and we don't have to get any of that loot. Although, yeah, I can't get... I kind of want to... I'm just going to run past this fool now. This ball... In my first playthrough, I thought the ball was going to be a lot bigger problem than it ended up being. Jeff Conley says, no! We got the runes, right? Yeah, good. Wait. I didn't know that jumped that well, guys. I just was cutting corners. Okay. We got to get the curse mark of death or something. Isn't that what we give Fia, though? Oh, wait. Wait. No, Randy's thing is in this. Randy's thing is in this, right, guys? The dagger that Randy has requested. That she so greedily requested. She's like, hey, I'm just going to sleep here. Go ahead and get me a dagger while I'm sleeping. That'd be great. It's like... rude. We are after Unite Darking it, folks. We are, man. And you absolutely love to see that in the community. The finger blade. Donate and stop finger blade. Show me the finger blade. I want the finger blade, guys. Finger Slayer Blade. Great Ghost Glove Word. I'll take it. No ads out there. I think we're done. Well, we're done with this, but we got to go back to Ancestral Woods. I rested, guys. Where is it? Oh, it's so close to me. Ancestral Woods, and then we have to go through the 7 layers of the Jellyfish Forest. Okay? 7 layers of the Jellyfish Forest, folks. I'm going to show you guys where that is. I don't think I'm going to kill a magic boss. Guys, this is the first playthrough. I'm not killing the second reindeer. I'm not. You know why? Because I'm going through the 7 layers. Okay, talk to me about twin gargoyles, guys. Because we're going to have our last grace coming up here before twin gargoyles. And if we need to freaking do something, we got to do something. I need big damn, guys. I need big damn on the first one. I can take out the second one. I think it's going to be the same magic thing that we do, guys. I think it's going to be the same magic scenario. Little old bone or something. Old thing, yeah. That was the 7 layers of the Jellyfish Forest. We have to look. We have to look at our physic. Charged attack power. Oh, yeah, and I don't think I was charging my... Did we say that this one doesn't charge? Wait. I want to shoot. Okay. I think to charge, I think I hold shift. So that doesn't charge. So Zaymore Ice Storm charges, right? I thought it was shift, guys. If I hold it down, that was pretty quick. Let's see if I hold it down. Yeah, that definitely charges. Okay. So we said this other one is the one that doesn't charge. It doesn't. Got you. Okay, so maybe we'll bust a Zaymore Ice Storm, guys. That could be fun. We have a trinket for charge attacks that we're not using. I think we need to address that at some point. Oh yeah, let's talk about trinkets too. And yeah, like I said, I think I'm going to be doing Magic Dam. Physical negation. First guy, I guarantee, is doing that. Greatly boost. Oh, of skills. Yeah, skills. But I'm not using skills. I'm not using skills, guys. I'm going to stop asking you guys about my trinkets. And I'm going to start doing it myself. I'm using spells, guys. What kind of damage? What damn twin gargoyles? It's going to be physical and... What damage... Twin gargoyles. Alright, guys. We're going to learn right here. What are the weaknesses of... Well, that's just says gargoyle. I guess I'll say Elden Ring. Cool. What the best damage for gargoyles in Elden Ring? To beat the Valiant Gargoyle in Valiant Gargoyle Twin Blade boss in Elden Ring, Tarnishes are advised to adopt a hybrid melee ranged build with enough HP to withstand heavy hits, but enough range to take down at least one of the bosses at half HP. What? While the boss is immune to most ailments, it is weak to fire, lightning, and holy attacks, which gamers can imbue their weapons with to maximize damage against the bosses. Sorceries and incantations also do a good amount of damage to the Valiant Gargoyle. The Valiant Gargoyle? Is that the one? How do you beat Elden Ring Twin Gargoyles? That's a freaking video. Okay. Valiant Gargoyle? Yeah, these are them. Is he weak to anything? He's afraid of ghosts. They are so weak to them. Oh, the ghost poopies that you shoot out. Didn't know that. Okay, so this is going to be a magic run. And we're going to get a moon off on him. And we are going to... It's going to be the same magic thing we just did, guys. For Radon. Do I have enough mana pots? We're going to give it a shot. And I'll tell you why. Because I think I'm going to take some damn. I knew that could happen, guys. I'm going to take some damn. Oh, my God. How did I miss... I panic rolled that and still got through it. I've killed this guy in the right before. I don't remember what for. But I've killed him before. Don't know what. Dude. I have only soloed this once, guys. Okay, wait. Take that off. Okay, one is for finger seal. Are you saying finger painting? I don't think that... I think I gotta run up a little bit. Okay. Moon. I don't have time. Got it. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. Jump! Gotta kill him fast because Sister's here, guys. Sister's here. Got him. Got him. Oh, God. Get it. Get greedy. Got it. Oh, that was bad. Health pots. No! No! That was it. That was it, guys. That dude. That dude. That was it because I had so much power. I had so much power on the... I mean, it was a little bit slow on the first guy. But I just killed him. I don't know, guys. I mean, it was the first attempt, but once I kill... Whenever I kill the first one, most playthroughs, I'm like, got this. You know what I have to do? Longer fight. Slow down. No, I got to go nuts phase one. Sorry. I go nuts phase one. I phase one to me is the first one. I got to kill him. I can't deal with two of them. I got to kill him before Sister shows up. One Sister shows up, 2 shots, dodge some attacks, 2 shots. 2 shots will give me more time to heal. It will give me more time to do what else? It'll give me more time to recover, guys, because I'm burning a lot of stamina. Wham, wham, wham. My stamina bar's going down. How's it going? Hey, Mirage Jennings, how you doing, man? Catherine McKay says, no! We did that right this time. Oh, man, that was freaking fun, though. My heart is popping, guys. How we doing? Last bit of coffee. And then I hit 1. Till I get my staff. Nope. Dude, how did I miss that? I'm botching it. I'm just going for it. Got it. Hit him for a lot. I didn't get my, Okay, I just kind of ate that. Oh, that was horrible. Okay, yeah. I got flustered. Here's what I got to do. Golden Vow and get my moon off. Golden Vow, get my moon off. Just Golden Vow and get my moon off. How hard is it? I Terra Magic. Guys, let me tell you something about Terra Magica. Terra Magica is good for one thing and one thing only. And it's like when you get to stand in one spot. I just don't. I don't have a lot of faith in Terra Magica, man. I just don't. I have more faith in Golden Vow. And I gotta hit 1. Okay. Trying again. Too slow. Come on! Come on! We got him with it at least. Okay, we gotta heal. Okay, I did my 2. Last time this guy's, I went more aggressive though. That was lucky. Sister's coming. That was late. No! Oh, I did the ice storm? I'm not looking. That was horrible. You got this. Screw that gargoyle. Billy Molinix, how you doing? Guys, I freaking scrolled. I scrolled into Ice Storm, and I should have just ran with it. But I'm like, I'm doing Ice Storm right now. I'm supposed to be doing Ice Crag. And I should have. Should have. Okay, here's the problem. I'm botching the pull, guys. I'm botching the pull. I should be able to do Terra Magica. I should be able to do it. I have so much time. So I got to go 1-1. Yeah, okay. 1-1 for to get my staff. Okay, enter. I blew it again, guys. Wait. I got time for it, though. Now I need... Okay. All that is to, like, all that time... No damn it all, guys. And the panic roll there almost killed me, but it didn't. But big... And I ate that one. And Sister's coming. Horrible pull, guys. I'm going to try and recover. Dude. I'm relying like on RNG because like I almost killed him. If I kill him, I reset. I top off, and then we fight the sister. Is Lusat working better for you than Azur's? I prefer Azur's. Lusat's what we went with. Lusat's what we went with. I don't always make all the decisions in these builds because I let chat help. But when I feel strongly about something, or what, you know, like it's you've seen the streams. You've seen the streams. Yeah, so I'm cool. I'm cool with Lusats. This is supposed to all be pretty reasonable. I mean, we made it this far. This is fun. I'm glad. Guys, we killed Radon on the first attempt. I'm glad that this is being a little bit tricky. Yeah, why so hard? Okay. He gave me so much time that time, guys. That was bad. Hey, you know what though? The pull was better. The pull was better. The pull was better. I don't know if it's worth it for the Terra Magica, but I was able to get it off. These guys were a bit of a pain. Yeah, Drew, the fire giant went down, bro. You should have seen. Drew, I didn't cast a spell on a fire giant. I meleeed the entire time. I went 14 health pots. Man. It was hilarious, and I just kept beating him. Long fight. It was great. I'm getting this pull down. It's not exactly killing it for me. Dude, the Terra Magica's freaking nasty! The Terra Magica's nasty! Dude, it's like I stopped playing the game. I never roll into gargoyle attacks, not side or away. Okay. So roll into this guy. Okay, roll into all of them. Dude, I didn't realize the dam that the Ice Crag was going to do in the Terra Magica. Yeah, went up close. Yeah. I got you. I didn't realize the damn that it was going to do. Wow. Because I had time to get there. And the pull is getting better and better, guys. The pull is getting better and better. I've got a golden pull. I feel like I should take my... Those things are causing me a little bit of a hassle, guys. Now, when I go... Yep. Less movements, guys. Dude, the first guy died so fast, I could just tank him and freaking just kill him. Almost. Golden Vow. That was like I just completely, I don't even know his moveset. I think we got the pull down. Guys, you got to look at the positive things, right? We got the pull down. I got the buffs down. I'm getting the moon off, and I'm getting crags on him before he even gets to me. That's good. I need to stay alive. That's okay. And, boy, I melted him last time. Even more worse than that, though, guys. Right? Did you guys see it? Remember? I feel like I need to get away from him, man. It's in my nature. Run! Why would I go? Okay, he spun around. He kind of made a fake. Okay. I just went for it, guys, because I didn't care. And I'll tell you something. I can never roll those. Guys, I'm hitting the key, and it won't... I'm Italian. I talk with my hands. I'm hitting the key, and it won't freaking change weapon. I changed... I did change out of it once by mistake. But then I'm like... I don't want my seal. I'm hitting the 1 key. It wouldn't change. What's wrong? 5 tries, 1,200 Facebook Gaming Stars. You got it, Billy. Guys, we have a challenge, folks. Now I got to really focus up. We got to really be deliberate here, guys, because I got to do this right now. 5 tries. We got to do it first try. Starting now. You got it, Billy. You got it. We got a challenge, folks. 1,200 Facebook Gaming Stars. I can never dodge. Wow, I dodged it. All range. Mana. I dodged that. I rolled it. Sister's here. I'm dead. I'm dead. Nope. That still felt better though. And I didn't even give. I didn't give up. I'm not giving up on anything on this. That was 1 try. That felt so good. Same thing, little bit better. Oh man. Getting us out of the rhythm, Drew. You got this. Hey, Dave. Hey, Dave. What's up, man? How you doing? Hey, yo. He says. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Same thing. Let's keep it moving, folks. Second verse. Same as the first. He missed the moon, I think. Too far. Sister's here already, guys. I had to run and drink. Oh my God. Run and drink. Look at him. Give me mana. Give me health back. No! 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 That was it. 2. No summons this go around, Jerry. Love the grind. No summons. Thank you. Thank you, Dave Hope. Oh, my God. Davis Hope. That was it. God, I want more range on this, bro. The rolls much better, huh? I mean, they were on point compared to last time, right? But I still died. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly right. I did like a double roll for some reason, and when I started the animation, I like rolled into the attack, I think is what happened at the end there. Okay, that's 2 attempts. The rolls were definitely rolling. That's 2 attempts, right? Is that 2? You guys keep score of that. Two rolls forward. Yep. And I knew it. I'm not hitting him. Come on, dude. I need you dead. But see, I want to bring him back into the freaking Terra Magica. Guys, I got to eat some hits. I got to kill him. See what I'm saying? Oh, give me a moon. Okay. Okay. Health. Get on this. Okay, I almost had that one. Almost had that one. No! I have a way I feel like I need to roll. And it's not always forward. Hey! Got him! Got him! Third try. Woo! Billy, thank you for the challenge, man. I need to be able to stay focused like that even without the challenge. I'll tell you something. I don't know if you've seen some of the chess challenges, man. And I'm never throwing. And by the way, guys, we had like 700,000 runes, so we left them. We left them on the table. I don't care. When they put money on the chest, guys, all of a sudden, I get better. You know what I mean? Oh my God! And dude, I'm glad I stayed in for the dam. I stayed in and tanked some hits because it's so for me. It's so important to get the first one down. You got to get the first one down, guys. Dude, only 114,000 runes for killing that fool. Out of any toughies, gargoyles are my specialty. Really? Really? Billy Mullenix says, you got it, man. Incentive, 1,200, man. Thank you, Billy. Thank you so much for the stars, man. Guys, you saw it here first. The 1,200. The 1,200. Hey! I like that when it blacks out the whole screen, guys. Okay. I guess we rest. Now this is... Oh, wait a minute. Is this going to be River of Rot? This is for Estelle. Do I have to do Estelle? Is Estelle weak to Mayik? Mayikis? He doesn't look like he would be. I need to know if I need to learn Flame Grant Me Strength. Is this... No, but is it heading to Estelle? Well, if it's where I think it is... Oh, this is Baby Ranny? Okay, so this is Baby Ranny. Is it the cute little Baby Ranny? Or no? No, this is heading to Fia's Champs. Oh, across the roots. Across the roots, folks. I got to do Fia's Champs, guys, by myself. It's going to be absolutely amazing. I got to just kill one fast, man. And Roger, much love, Charlie. Jake Savick with the 1,200 matches in. Oh, can we get some stars hype in the chat? Stars hype in the chat, folks, for Jake Savick and Billy Mullenix, great supporters of the stream. Yeah, I need to make that like translucent, guys. You know what I'm saying? It looks cheesy. Sometimes cheesy is fun. Like Bubble Boy or Big Bonk. Guys, this is my second no summons playthrough, folks. 1 second for the cutscene. Okay. Oh, I thought the cutscene was over, actually. Stars Party. You guys start a Stars Party. If you guys complete the Stars Party, you'll see pretty colors. But the important thing to remember here at Charlie Sardo Gaming, guys. Not wacky. Not wacky. Stars hype. You'd love to see the stars hype, folks. Thank you guys for all the stars. I'm a grace grabber, folks. Don't need it. If you guys complete the Stars Party, you might see pretty colors. But I'm not wacky. Thank you guys for the stars, man. Sickness, man. The love. The love of the community. Today on the chess stream, which starts in an hour and 40 minutes, and I have no food here. Well, I have pork chops. I could thaw one out, I guess. Oh, and I had to go up and do, like, cave stuff last playthrough to get my 100%. Chess stream today is Chess Detox Thursday. Yesterday was it's the biggest stream of the week, folks. The chess tournament. And it's very high powered, exciting. You like chess? Yeah, chess. Is there loot over here? I think I've never got before in my life. Someone matched it again? Jake Savick. Oh, for the party. Nice. Billy says, I'll match again for the entertainment. What? IPO match for the entertainment? Okay, wait. I've never looted this, guys. And that's why. Wait. You guys ever gone over there onto that little ledge? Is there poopies down there? Flowers or anything? I like to pick the pretty flowers. Jake Savick with the 1,200. Oh, it was Billy. I read Jake's. Billy was first. Billy matched it again for the entertainment, and Jake did for the party. You guys are crazy, man. You guys are crazy. Thank you, guys. That's 1,200 from Jake, 1,200 from Billy Mullenix, 1,200 from Jake Savick again, and 1,200 from Billy Mullenix. Thank you guys for the stars, man. Wertursky earlier with the 500, Kevin Cook with the 200, Charlie Keatron with the 200. You guys, thank you. Okay, now, got to run away from the 7 layers of the poopy insect forest, guys. I think I've killed that stuff in there looking around over there. I have, on one playthrough. Maybe not on this character. But I have. But that one route, I don't remember ever going out on a limb. Don't remember ever going out on a limb, folks. Dude, Terra Magica is nasty, man. I'm always like, it's not worth it to stay in here. Drew with 490 says, best Elden Ring chess stream on Facebook. You rule Charlie and Chillers. Jake Savick with 100 stars. Hey, Drew, did that give you an option to read it? Because I feel like the reading went away. Is that one of those settings that got reset or something? Because I like it when it reads it, but you don't have to have it read it. I think you have an option, right? Okay, we're running to up. Oh yeah, I know exactly where I'm going, guys. Now that you said Fia's Champs, I know across the routes. I know how to jump up, and I know how to defeat Fia's Champs. I don't know that we are even going to bother. I don't usually leave that one. Well, that's why. I usually do the other one. Okay, let's be sure we got plenty of stam before we start this journey through these folios, the corn folios. You gotta loot it, guys. I missed it. I don't even care. I know it. Whatever it is, I know it's not that important. I'm fixing to do a speed boost here in a second once these guys see me. Ah! I knew it. I knew it. I looted the rune, and I have to hit E before I can freaking do anything. It's like, it's... You guys achieved the stars party? Oh, guys, thank you so much, man. I didn't see an option for reading. I missed it. No, maybe... It used to be auto read on mine. No option. Cool. Yeah, I just have to go back to my... Oh, my God, guys. It's okay. I should have never looted that rune, guys. I should have never looted it. Well, I mean, I should have looted it. I just shouldn't have died. But I have to hit E. They should have a thing, an option in Elden Ring for, like, when somewhere a seal is broken, it should show it. And then, like, on any key, it should reset that. Instead, I have to hit the E key, guys, to reset that. You know what I'm saying? And it's gotten me killed so many times in this game. So this loot's up again. You could just keep... I'm not getting this loot up the branch, guys. There's my jump button. We have a jump button. Death step is near here. Why? Why'd it get me off my horse? I feel like I'm being invaded. Why'd it get me off my horse? Why'd it get me off my horse? I've been trying to get GFRE when I fall off a cliff. To hit GFRE. Oh. Oh, to save? Is that to save? We just rested. We could try it. GFRE. Like that? Oh. Yeah, you know what's funny? I actually knew that. Because I've got that as a little macro in my head. GFRE. I just did it right there. But I was ready for it. Right? That was funny. Across the roots. Across some roots. Across some roots. Am I looking in the right place? I got the grace. What grace was that? What grace was that? Am I looking in the wrong place? That's... Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I am looking in the wrong place. Got it. Never mind. Don't answer that. You got it. I appreciate it. Depths is north. Yeah, I found it. Go higher. Thank you, guys. Yeah. Okay. Now. Let's... We might have to pop an ice storm, guys, at some point. But I think we're going to pretty much go with... There's not going to be a lot of time to buff, guys. Oh, no, but there's no cutscene. So there is time to buff, because I activate it. And I always actually, like, buff a little far out. So I'm going to get a little bit closer. And then bust my vow. Like, I'll bust my vow here. I'm not magicking. See, I should have busted it. Come on, target him. He blocked some of it. Okay. I'm doing it wrong. One. This guy's got skills. I might run out of mana on this, guys. Yep. Wow. Almost had him. Got him. I knew I couldn't do two. I knew I couldn't do two, but I had to try. That was kind of a cool start, huh? To run up in the middle of them, in charged ice storm, but it was dumb to try again, guys. I could have maybe ran away and tried again. You know what I mean? Okay, that was fun. That was a little bit of gaming. I mean, we had some fun. It wasn't perfect, guys. It wasn't perfect. It was fun though. I could see the Moonblade maybe doing some here. You cast Zamor. I know. You cast Zamor back to back. Dang, that was good though. You're saying that's what I did do. Did I wait too long? Oh, you mean like cast it and then the minute it starts casting, cast it again? No, Trey, it's cool, man. We had a cool Radon. We killed Radon in one attempt, and we had a very challenging twin gargoyles. I waited till it stopped. Okay, so I can get two off. Oh my god, that's exciting. That's exciting. Okay. Why won't it do it? Too far away. Wow. Golden Bow's gone. Come on, hit him. Whereas there's a jumper, guys. I try to time that so he would be doing an attack. He misses everything. Look at that. What? Dude, the timing on this is crazy. Got him. I did it, man. I thought I did it. These guys are going to dodge everything. I get the Moonblade. You know, I thought the Moonblade might help with this, guys. Because there's two of them. What? Where's the Moonblade now? Maybe I'll try the this again. I didn't get it off! They won't let me get it off, guys. We might be going, we might have to do this again. Got one. I try to roll into that one. Okay, so I'm not going to charge it. Okay. Phase 2. Phase 2. I did better. But see, I was doing do a battle roll. Roberto Torres, how you doing, man? I was charging it. You can even do a fast cast, then a charge cast. Okay. Yeah, that was my problem. I was charging the first one. It dispelled the skulls. I felt like they hit me a little bit. They didn't hit me a little bit, guys? I'm not talking to Fia, guys. We're done with this part, right? GFR. Wait. Sometimes, why does it do that? GFR. E. Did I get the grace? Well, there's a grace right outside. There's a grace right outside. Guys, what do we do today? If you just got here, guys, go to the beginning and you will see a hard-fought fire giant kill. It's magical. The Radon kill was fun. Twin gargoyles, I had to work for it, folks. It's good. It's good gaming, improving, doing better. Kind of like I just did right there. One attempt, we improve a little bit, right? Ain't no dragon run, folks. Dude, I'm skipping stuff, man. I might go back. You know, I don't feel a need to do Placidux, man. I don't. I mean, the biggest reason I'm here is for burn all, and we can do that right now. Oh, Trey and Drew, here's my point. Is awesome stream, I need to catch a replay. Here's my point. Can I burn the capital, guys? I didn't burn the capital yet. But I have to burn the capital to get to Farum Azula, or someone said you could take a portal, right? Do I just burn the capital? Do I just port to Dragon, to Fire Giant, burn the capital, and then I can go to Farum Azula, and then I could kill Bernal, and I could 100% the Steam achievement. We need to finish Nefeli first. Dang, miss alive. Edgar, yeah, man. Sorry about that, my brother. Edgar, are you part of the live alert broadcast channel? If you're not, you definitely want to get involved in that. I'll tell you right now, if you type here, links, that should show you the link. There'll be a link in there to join the live alert broadcast channel. Before I go live, I say we're live playing Elden Ring. Bam. Now, you were probably busy or working or something, but if you never want to miss alive, that's what to do. That portal doesn't take you to Missoula, just overlooks it. Okay, we still have to do Nefeli summons. Okay, but and so how do we do Nefeli? What do we have to do with that fool? Oh yeah, man, we should definitely do Selvas to get Magic Scorpion. Yeah, I want the Magic Scorpion. Yeah. So I mean, should I like what do I have to do? Do I just go? I gave Nefeli the freaking drink, right, guys? I think I gave her the drink. Didn't we do that? Was that this playthrough? Have we not done any of that? Let's go check Randy's. Oh, I think I have the dagger to give to her too now, guys. I get the dagger, folks. She'll be happy to see it. She'll be happy to see the dagger. Can you just get the Amber Starlight part? Whoa. Might not want to go out there. Where do you get the Amber Starlight? I don't know where that is. Get this Amber Starlight real quick. Go to Altus Highway Junction. Okay, I will. Don't give her the dagger. Okay, I'm stay away from Ranny. Altus Highway Junction. I don't know if I have it. Grand Lift or the huge. Altus Highway Junction is like right over here somewhere, right? So I can just run to it from. The Magic Scorpion is tough with this build because of the damage you end up taking. You get taken out sometimes with one hit. Oh, Dennis, I see. Okay, give me the dagger, kill Selvius. Wow. Yeah, just go to the huge lift. Okay. We got to get the Amber Starlight, folks. Yeah, no. I don't mind being squishy for a big dam. But at some point, if I feel the need, I'll take it off. You know what I'm saying? But because it just makes you get makes you get better. It just makes you get better. The extra damage is worth it. Man, I could rune arc. Guys, I got to activate a rune arc too. Tonight, after dark, we're going to be activating a great rune, guys. I haven't done that yet. We got to activate a great rune. What else do we have to do? Or can we even... Have we not even got to Margaret's great rune yet? Is that why you're getting killed in 2 shots in some situations? Anyway, right. In some situations, you're right. You're right. What I'm going to eat, guys, I think I have to go out and look, man. And it's so bad to go out and look, guys, because I might end up... They may have a box of chicken for $10, and if I would have just bought chicken, you know, I could cook it, you know, and I could buy like twice as much chicken for $10. But it's still a box of chicken for $10, guys. 2 legs, 2 thighs, and a mac and cheese that I never eat. I got one in the fridge. I should throw it out. The Magic Scorpion gives 12% extra damage, which is the same as your Graven Talismans combined. Oh, so he's quite... So one does 7 and 5 or something? Trey? Is that how they're broken up? How do I have that grace, though? We were just here, and we talked to the girl that was right over there, and she took us to it. Isn't Altus Junction right here? Where am I going eventually? Where am I running to, guys? What's the final destination, or at least because I'm not sure where I'm running. Am I running like to the steps? Because that's where I was thinking the Altus Junction was, or is it right here maybe? Run up a street? Because you guys never told me exactly where I was going because you thought I had Altus Highway Junction. Conjunction Junction, what's your function? To the left of that church. Stormcaller Church or Second Church of Marika. That's okay, but I'm gonna run. I'm gonna start the run. Yeah. Go to the steps and go left along the cliff. And oh, I think have I done this before? Yeah, I'm going northeast. Yep. Let me show you where I am. And it's over here somewhere, right? Were you guys trying to lead me? I've done this before. I have to go like in a cave or something, right? I have to go like through a tunnel or something. I think I can see it. And there's some monsters there. And there's something I have to get. Yeah, on the astrologer. Thank you for the exact spelling, Drew. I freaking love that about you. He remembers astrologer. I'm such a 13-year-old boy, guys. Oh, is it down there? That's why Dennis Smart said... Is it down the first spot? Because Dennis March did say follow the cliffs. This looks like, yeah, this is it. This is it. This is the magic tunnel, folks. Yep. I think. Might die with that fall. Okay, guys. I'm looking for the amber starlight or something. Is it like right here, guys? Because I really got to eat before the chest ring. Whoa. This one didn't die. Got it. That was it. Amber Starlight. I got it. So now I'm done. I can pour it out of here, right, guys? Nothing bad in here but a bunch of little baby squids. So now what? Guys, you know how hard it is to do that on mouse and keyboard? Can you hear my fingers? It's very... Guys, it's very, very talented gamer right here. Now you can just talk to Selvis. Dude, I can't... talking to Ranny kills Selvis, I almost freaking jacked up my whole world, bro. I was completely screwed up everything. Get on your horse and get the hell away from Ranny. I like to bump my head, guys. I like to pick the pretty flowers, and I like to bump my head. Guys, you guys know me. I'm all about eating food, and I'm all about preparing for the next stream, and I'm also all about gaming and getting that freaking quest done, bro. You know what I mean? Okay. Let's go to Selva's house, guys. I hate this guy. Did you ever get the Briar armor? Where do you get the Briar armor? I don't know.
Begging for another lesson. The remains.
Study sorcery or leave. Study sorcery or leave. Do I need to go look at the hole in the ground? Yeah, when you give her the dagger, it kills Selvis. His purpose is served. Okay, Trey says he's trying to make a stronger version of the potion we gave to Nefeli to use on Arani. So when you give her the Finger Slayer blade, she kills him for being Epstein. Okay, but what do I do here? I mean, I can't... Okay, I think I have all these is the problem. I know I do, so I'm not going to buy them. Yeah, number held, number held, number held. Yeah. So do I got to go roll on the floor? Yeah, that's what I thought, and that's okay. We can do it. The castle with all the poison you need for the 100%. No, I have everything from... I have everything. I think I do. I think I have everything. I just need one more weapon, I think. If I don't... It's already open, guys. Okay, now what do I do in here? What do I do in here that I didn't do? I did this. Selva's puppet. Do not touch. Is there anything else I'm supposed to do in here? I was already in here, guys. Is there... Am I supposed to... Is that it, guys? So something's wrong. Suggestions. I don't care about giving Granny. Go in the back room and try clicking on stuff. Nope. There's nothing here. There's nothing here. I'm even behind her. I'll click on her butt. Burger King lady. Never mind, you did it. Go back to Selvis. Hit the wall. Okay, that wall that let me in there, right? Yeah, never mind. You did. Go back to Selvis. Okay. And I see, the thing is, I've already done all this, guys. Maybe I need a rest. Part is always where I have trouble. I'll Google it for... Oh my god. Don't shoot glintstones at me, you freaking invisible fool. I'm gonna try Selvis one more time, and if we're stuck, then I'll just go eat. If we can finish this, we'll finish it. Basically, just need to click on the sign, and I think you're good. Might have to rest. Yeah, I'm gonna check. But resting, I'm not gonna do. But I should have. I believe it. So I'll remember now.
Begging for another. The remains.
Yeah, nothing there. Okay. Yeah, so I might have to rest. Although, here's the thing. I clicked it. Oh, maybe I haven't rested since I acquired the shard. You know what I mean? But either way, guys, I will see you guys for After Dark. Well, I want to see you guys for chess too, guys. Come to the chess stream, Facebook Gaming at 4 p.m. and I'm gonna stream that one on Twitch and YouTube as well. It takes me a long time to set it up, guys. Man, that's really why I gotta go. That's why I have to go spend $10 on a freaking box of chicken so I can get back here, get my hands greased up, and start getting all my info done. You have to reset after discover. I had already discovered it, Drew. Drew, I didn't just roll in there. I was already in there. I was in there yesterday or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. But guys, I want to thank you guys for being here, man. Thank you to all my moderators, all the stars, man, and the challenge from Billy Mullenix, all the freaking stars from Billy and Drew and Jake Savick, man. Big star bombs today. Charles, Keatron, Kevin Cook. Thank you guys so much, man. Angelina Jolie, Kevin, Guillemujin. Thank you guys for likes. It really helps the stream. And I freaking love you guys. And I'll be back in an hour and 10 minutes for Chess Detox Thursday. You guys feeling good about that? Oh, wait. I left Elden Ring on all night last night, guys. It was on all night. Can you believe that crap? Yeah, that one there I can close. Let me see. This one here. I got to find this one. No. I got to find this one. And I can end from here. Stars party achieved. Good. I got that information now. All right, guys. Freaking love you guys. Catch you guys later. Goodbye.